Okay, Vitelli, what's an elephant say? What's a doggy say? What's a doggy say? No, woof woof. That's what an elephant says. What's a doggy say? Where's the doggy? Here. Here you go. Woof woof. Yeah, good job. Say hi. Hi. There you go. Give me a high five. Good job. Tell everyone what an elephant says. Good job. And what does a doggy say? Good. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? There. Good job.